What should one do after a car accident? First thing is make sure everyone's okay. Get treatment where it's appropriate at the emergency room. What we also want to make sure we can do, if possible, is get the names of witnesses at the scene. All information you can about who they are and how to contact them. That will be gone if you leave the scene and no one has recorded that. Next thing is take photographs of the entire scene, both cars. It's important to see the other car because sometimes you will not see the amount of damage just from one car. The last thing is we try to make sure that, and this is really the most important point about seeing an attorney early, we try to make sure we get videotape. Videotape from businesses is everywhere. If a client has an accident and they're at an intersection with a large business with a camera at that scene, I want that videotape. I want to show it to a jury one day at trial. Make sure you call somebody quickly.